Hey y'all, welcome back to Adventuring with Amanda. Thank you so much for being here. In this short video, I am showing you what the contents of my rooftop box are. I have a sport rack rooftop box. It is 18 cubic feet inside, which means it is absolutely massive. This rooftop box was purchased from Facebook Marketplace for only $80. It's actually a $400 rooftop box, so I really got it for a steal. It did have a hole in it, but flex tape was used to repair it outside and inside. And through all of the states I've been through in snow and rain, I've yet to have any leaks, so I highly recommend. In this video, I will show you how I open my rooftop box and access the contents and what's inside. My rooftop box locks at the back, and I keep it on a key ring with two other keys, and I have a lanyard on it to make it easier to close. So what I do is I just step up on my van, and then I can lock and unlock it, and then open up the box and close the box from here. To access the contents of my rooftop box, I step up on the side of my van, which I can do on either side, and I simply lift it open, which is easier to do when I have both hands. But I am 5'8", so it makes the box pretty easy to open. In my rooftop box, I have my camping table right here, as well as 4 red levels. I have my Bass Pro Shop propane stove and my camping chair. Under my camping chair is a waterproof blanket. I have a 25-foot extension cord with adapter in case I have electric hookups, extra towels. I also have a camping blanket, an extra bed for Winston, his playpen, and my portable toilet tent. From this angle, well, without my lanyard, you can really see how much space I have. I also have a shovel on the side there, but I have so much space. On my way home during my road trip, I kept 2 5-gallon buckets in here, a big cooler, 2 other chairs, and I also put my zero gravity chair just on top of everything. I just kind of lay it on top. I have a ton of space with just my minimal items, and I could really fit a lot more in here if I wanted to. So this is what the box looks like when it's open. You can access it from the 3 angles, and then I just jump up on my van. Let me adjust my tripod here. And now I can lock it up, and I'm all done. Now, I definitely prefer the hard rooftop box as opposed to like a roof rack with a soft carrier. This one locks really well. I have never had any issues with it. Even fixing my hole there with the flex tape, I've never had any issues with leaking, which is awesome. The rooftop box is fairly easy to put on to your vehicle as long as you already have a roof rack installed. If not, you'll have to purchase one, but it can actually be installed with it could be installed with 1 person, but you'll need 2 to lift it on top of your vehicle most likely. Otherwise they're pretty easy to install. I haven't really noticed any issues with gas mileage or anything with it. I absolutely love my rooftop box. It is one of the best investments I could have made because I can put all my ugly big stuff up top, and I can use my van cargo space for my living space. So thank you so much for tuning into this video. Please give it a like if it helped you out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and Winston and I will see you later.